Hello, I'm Jasmine from Odacité Skincare, and today I'm going to be showing you a few simple Gua Sha techniques with our Gua Sha tool. Now, Gua Sha is an amazing way to massage your face to basically help with lymphatic drainage. Gua Sha in traditional Chinese medicine means just great, and essentially we are scraping toxins away from the face and towards the main lymph so it can be expelled from the body easier. The benefits are many, but one of the main ones is that your skin will look brighter, your skin function will be better because you'll be oxygenating the skin, and you will look a little bit more lifted and contoured, and it will really help with puffiness, including any kind of jowliness that we get around the jaws, any puffiness around the eyes. So it really has a lot of benefits. There's two ways to use a Gua Sha tool. The first that I'm going to be showing you today will be for traditional lymphatic drainage. So we're going to be using lovely, long, smooth movements from the neck downwards and then the face downwards. So we're going to be draining everything down. So as we say, it can get expelled from the lymph here. Now with Gua Sha, it's always important to start with the neck. We really want to open the neck to encourage that drainage towards the lymph. So we're always going to be draining from the neck down to the collarbone. You can, if you want, also, as well as on your face, put a little bit of oil on your actual Gua Sha tool, or take any left that was on your hands and just put it on the tool, so that again it helps with that slip and that slide. So I'm going to be using the curved edge here, and I'm going to start with these nice smooth downward movements. It feels really good, so it gets actually any little bits of tension that we hold in our neck, which is quite a lot. And you can see I'm taking it down to the clavicle, to the collarbone. Make sure that you do spend a little bit of time opening the neck, because as I say, it's really important for then everything we do in the face to go downwards. Both sides. Okay, so next we're going to start with the jaw, and we're going to be taking, you can see I've got a little bit of fluid here that needs to be drained. We're going to be taking this fluid along here and down the neck. So I usually start with the same curved edge under the chin, and then we're just taking that fluid to the ear. You can pass over this a few times. Usually actually 5 to 7 times is good. Do a little wiggle when you get to the end, and then smoothly down the neck. Everything with lymphatic drainage Gua Sha is fantastic for puffiness, and it's important to be kind of slow and steady. I also like to use this love heart-shaped end and actually go across from the chin. Again, it really grips both sides of that jaw, and we're just bringing all the excess fluid with us. And nice long strokes back down the neck. Now I'm going to do here, so with the long flat side, I'm going to take that all across. Fits actually really well from the kind of orbital bone down to the jawline, helping to move any toxins away from the center of the face outwards, and then again draining down. You can also take this love heart-shaped end and actually go over the cheekbone like this, which also helps to kind of drain. You notice I'm actually taking everything as well into the hairline, because our muscles don't stop just in our face, they actually go into the scalp, and this will help to kind of train those muscles a little bit. You can then go straight down behind the ear, down here. You can also do one fluid movement around the lips, and then back, as I say, out to that position here. That feels good. With that same love heart-shaped angle, I'm going to do around the eye. Now, I'm not doing a very heavy pressure, I'm just using the weight of the tool, and both pincer hands of this are either side of my actual eye, so the space here in between leaves the space for the eye, so we're not catching our eye. Again, taking it into the hairline, And lastly, but not leastly, we're going to do a little bit on the forehead. So going from the center up, again, this feels very relaxing, and we're just encouraging any excess fluid away from the face. Again, into the hairline. Once you've done that, you can drain everything in one fluid motion down here onto the cheekbone, and then carrying it straight down the neck, like so. And that side is done. Now, I don't know about you, but I can see that compared to the other side of my face, this side looks a little bit more streamlined, a little bit more defined. And so I'm going to match up now with the other side of the face. Now I'm going to do the other side of the face. So exactly the same as before. I'm going to speed it up a little bit this time. You can really go slow as well over this whole area. It feels really good. Lifting up and out over the cheekbones. You can see that I'm getting like a natural flush, but that's all good. That means that we're oxygenating the skin, so blood flow is coming to the surface, which is going to make our skin look really healthy and fresh afterwards. Again, this side, take that whole side over the face, wiggle. Fits so well over that whole area. Don't forget to breathe. I also like to end with a little bit of work on the back of the neck because it feels super good. So again, you can take that lovely love heart-shaped end and then actually go from the base of the spine up to where the sculpt starts, upwards and outwards. It feels really good if you just kind of, I'm just literally going up like this and then jiggling in the hairline. Oh, and when it gets to that bit in the hairline, oh, it feels so relaxing. So there's just so many ways that you can use the tool, like all different angles. It's a nice way to finish as well. Interesting fact, if you don't look after the skin on your neck, the back of your neck, then your face will start to sag faster because the back of the neck is actually almost like keeping everything tight and taut. So if we always make sure we're taking our skincare to the back of our neck, you're going to see a benefit in your face over time. Everything's going to stay a bit tighter. So don't forget your neck, ladies. Great if you can spend a couple of times a week doing gua sha. I generally do it sort of every day or every other day to see the benefits. It's kind of like gym for your skin. No, yeah, gym for your skin. Thank you so much. I've been Jasmine from Odacité Skincare and look forward to seeing you next time.